We've been having some trouble posting thumbnails to WordPress. When we upgrade to WordPress 3.4 sometime in the future, and that will be determined by IRT, we will have a function added to it that will allow us to insert thumbnails easily, just as thumbnails for our front page and not for the story. Now, in the meantime, here's how you have to go about posting your thumbnails, and I've set up some things to help you with it. First of all, let's add a new post. And I'll put in here just some a dummy headline for now. And we're going to go to the visual to start out here, and we'll put some text in. I don't want that yet. So put in some more of this. Just so we have a few words in here. Of course, you'd put your actual post. Now, if you're doing a video, you want some sort of description in here. And then we also will go down and put in our excerpt. Like so, okay. And then we can save a draft for now. The tricky part of putting a thumbnail is that you have to publish the post. And so to help you do this without creating too much havoc, I've created a category that does not show up in our navigation. It's called only a test. Okay, so we're going to use only a test, and then we're going to publish our post. Now, the post is live on the Tommy Media website, but it's not something anybody is going to find casually, and by the time we fix this and then put it in a regular category, it'll be okay. All right, so now we can insert our thumbnail, and to do this, I always like to get a clean line in here, and we're in the visual tab, okay, the visual tab, and we can click on our upload button. And I'll just say that if you have something in the library that's already been used as a thumbnail, you can't use it again. You've got to upload it again. So like the in-depth logo, we would have to upload that again to use it over again. Otherwise, it's not going to show up. I know this from hard experience. So I'm going to upload an image here. First, we'll browse for it. And I have some nice square images here. Here's a JPEG. And upload. And here's our image. And we click thumbnail. And we want the post URL. Okay, not the file URL, the post URL. So anybody who clicks on that thumbnail is going to be taken to the post. And then we can go insert into post. And then we have to, now remember, we've already published this, so we have to update the post. And if you want to view it, you can view the post like that. And so here's what we have so far. Okay. All right, now I'm just going to very quickly, and I don't recommend you guys do this, I'm going to just show you what it looks like on the front page. I'm going to click News and update the post, and then just briefly go to the Tommy Media website here and refresh. And you can see there's our thumbnail. It's working just fine. So now let's quickly go back here and take it out of the news so that it no longer is on the front page. All right, now here's the really odd part about using thumbnails with this version of WordPress. We now go in, and we're still in the visual tab, okay? We go in here and we delete the thumbnail and update the post. And that seems so odd, but that's the way we do it. Now I'll just show you. If I go back here, let's go back to the front page. I'll refresh. Okay, so now that story's gone. Let's go ahead and see what it looks like on the front page again. And again, I recommend you guys don't go live on the front page until you're ready to. I just want to demonstrate this. And there it is. It's still there. Even though we've deleted it from our post, it's still there. So now we have our thumbnail established, and now we can insert our video. Okay. Click on the HTML tab. I like to start with a clean line. And insert your, insert your embed code. Now, when you go to YouTube and I'll just refresh this here. Okay, so we have our video, and we click on embed. Remember to change the width here to 620, and you'll see it changes the embed code. We'll copy that, and now we're in the HTML tag, and we insert that, and we update our post, and you see it doesn't stick. So we generally have to go do it again, and then we update the post, and there it is. Okay, now let's go look at our post here. Go to view. And there it is. Okay, so we have our video, no thumbnail intervening, so everything looks good. Now, did that thumbnail still stick? If we click on news, I'll refresh. There it is, and we click on it. It takes us to the test page. Okay, now I'm going to get rid of that. We can uncheck only a test as well if you want to, and then update that post. Okay, so it's a little bit complicated. I'm going to give you a cheat sheet on this too, but if you can follow these steps, first do your excerpt and your text, then insert your post, or your thumbnail, insert your thumbnail, publish, delete the thumbnail, update the post, then go to HTML and insert your embed code, and you probably will have to do it a couple times. Thank you.